Hello students, welcome to the online classes of DPS MR Nagar. I hope you are taking good care of your health. I am sure you must be taking all the necessary precautions to keep yourself safe from the deadly COVID-19 disease. Today we'll start with the literature reader of class 5 and the first poem is A Swing Song. Before starting the poem, I'll tell you about its poet. This poem is composed by William Ellingham. He was born on March 19, 1824. He was an Irish poet, diarist, and editor. He wrote several volumes of lyric verse, and his poem, The Fairies, was very popular. As this poem is for children, it is written from the perspective of a young child who finds a lot of pleasure in swinging. So, here is the poem A Swing Song. Swing, swing, sing, sing. Here my throne, and I am a king. Swing, sing, swing, sing. Farewell, earth, for I am on the wing. High, low, here I fly. Low, high, here I fly. Like a bird through sunny sky. Free, free, over the lea, over the mountain, over the sea. Up, down, which is the way to London town. Where, up in the air, close your eyes, and now you are there. Soon, soon, afternoon, over the sunset, over the moon. Far, far, over all bar, sweeping on from star to star. No, no, low, low, sweeping daisies with my toe. Slow, slow, to and fro. Slow, 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 slow. So children, in this poem, the child enjoys a swing ride very much. You must also have enjoyed a swing ride. You must have enjoyed swinging in your home or in some amusement park. In the first stanza, the poet says that he is swinging and singing merrily. He is sitting on a swing which he refers to as his throne. He is going up on it. He feels like he is a king who is on top of the world. In the second stanza, the swing becomes low and sometimes it goes up, and the poet feels that he is flying in the sunny sky like a bird. He is flying freely over the green grassland, over the mountain, and over the sea. Children, there is a new word in this stanza, lea. You write its meaning: open grassy land, lea. In the third stanza, again, the swing goes up and then comes down. The poet imagines and asks the way to London town. As he goes up in the air, he closes his eyes only to think that he is in London. In the fourth stanza, the poet finds that he has spent a lot of time swinging on the swing. He is now extremely happy and excited that he flew so high. He has crossed so many hurdles and is now sweeping on from one star to another. This is his flight of imagination. In the last stanza, the swinging has become slow. The poet feels that he is almost back to the ground and his feet are touching the daisies, the beautiful flower. The swing has become very slow. So children, we see that the poet enjoys the swinging a lot, and the pleasantest thing is that he finds pleasure in it. He also imagines himself to be in different places while swinging. So, children, there is a message in this poem. As the poet or the child goes high up in the swing flies high. He is very happy. He is very excited. He thinks that he is a high achiever. He is on cloud nine. But as the swing comes down, he feels little bit sad. He thinks that he is losing something. So we should remember that joys and sorrows go hand in hand in life. They show us a path and our goal. They help us in being determined. Sorrows may be like wave, they may disturb us, but we must not be disheartened. This is the message the poet wants to convey in this poem. While reading the poem, children, did you notice that the poet has repeated the words in order to add or heighten the rhyme of this poem? For example, swing, sing, king, sing, sing. Now, you read this poem carefully and give answers to the following questions. Make sure that you use leftover pages of your old notebooks. And the first question is, why does the poet feel himself to be like a king while swinging? Question 2, why does the poet feel to be like a bird? I am repeating the question. Why does the poet feel himself to be like a king while swinging? Question 2 is, why does the poet feel to be like a bird? All the best, children. Thank you.